Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this used 17-ton by 4-foot DiAcro CNC Hydra-Mechanical press brake. This press brake is equipped with an Automec CNC BackGauge, manual ram adjustment with indicators, dual palm control on the ram, also has an electric foot pedal and a 3 horsepower motor. The DiAcro Hydra-Mechanical system allows the press brake user to return the ram in mid-stroke, unlike most mechanical press brakes. This is a nice safety feature and also helps with setup. Here you can see us easily moving the back gauge to 6 inches with the AutoGauge G24 system. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.